2018 Hyundai Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a beautiful hatchback with European style. Plenty of cargo space and a wide variety of technology top this vehicle off. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, power door locks, power windows, security system, side airbag, daytime running lights, center console, overhead console, tachometer, intermittent wipers, rear view camera, power outlets, power mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.